Welcome back to 99 Bitcoins. Let's talk about what happened after the Fed dropped interest rates. Want to break down kind of the rebound that Bitcoin saw and also kind of what the markets look like right now. So let's get into it. And guys, we are kind of on a mixed kind of day. All right. So this is something where as we look at the markets, right, I think that right now the common theme is amongst investors and traders, a lot of hesitancy. Okay. And I think it's going to be kind of a back and forth kind of spread as we move further into the end of 2025. And as we see a little Santa Claus rally, potentially even the new year bringing in some gains, potentially Q1 of 2026 does look bullish with the people that I do talk to, but time will tell. And it is crypto. It is ever so volatile, but we're going to talk about exactly what's happening right now in the market. So before we get down into it, if you are not yet subscribed here to the channel, please do so. Also, please remember that none of this is financial advice. Always be sure to do your own research and due diligence. Okay. So looking at the market, we're going to look at kind of what Bitcoin's been up to. 92.2, almost a 1% day for BTC. And then a lot of the other top alts in the top 10, like I said, it's modest gains or losses. It's a mixed bag in one direction or another. Ethereum's holding strong at around 3,200. And looking at this, it's not something that we have been kind of looking at over the last month. It's been where it's been 6 to 10% down into the red. I mean, look at ETH and Bitcoin, almost 5,000 for ETH, and then Bitcoin, conversely, 126,000. And now looking at what we're looking at with BTC, we have to talk about the rebound for 93,000, okay? And we're just a touch below that, but this is the post-Fed update that I'm gonna give you guys right now in this video. Before we get further along, I do wanna share with you guys what is happening with this crypto presale, okay? This is Bitcoin Hyper, claiming to be the fastest layer 2 chain. They are live right now in their presale. And as you see, this countdown does continue, where right now the price for one Hyper token is 0.013. After the 1 day or whenever you guys are watching this video, the price will go up for Hyper until the presale does conclude, okay? So check it out. There will be a link down below in the description. And from there, guys, you can make the best decision for yourself. If you are going to buy this presale, please read the white paper, the FAQs, follow them on X. That way you stay up to date with the updates. But like I said, these are meme coin presales. Some of them win, some of them don't. So make sure you use the best judgment that you can. Always do your own research, and please be sure to exercise the best financial decision for you possibly, and make sure you do your due diligence, okay? But there's a lot of stuff on their website. You will find that link down below in the description, okay? But back into what we came here to talk about, the post-Fed lows, okay? So looking at this chart now as Bitcoin clawed its way back, that's a great word to use, up to 93,000. A little bit of a buy the rumor, sell the news event, maybe. We'll see what we get, okay? But Thursday, this is where traders digested the Fed decision. Now, if you are watching this video outside the United States, a little bit of a prelude to what we're talking about. This is the volatility. This is the macro. This is the trends historically that we always key in on, right? Economic decisions made by regulating bodies such as the Federal Reserve in the United States has a huge impact on what happens with crypto. But this is kind of where we did slip, okay? Ever so briefly down to 89,000 was to buy the rumor, sell the news event after that Federal Reserve rate cut on Wednesday, okay? Stocks went up, but Bitcoin, this is kind of where stocks went down, but also Bitcoin now trading at 93,000, marginally over the last 24 hours. They are up. Some of the other top layer ones, you're seeing big moves, Avalanche, Ethereum, Cardano, but there has been a lot of pullback on some of those as well. But the one kind of takeaway from the post-Fed decision has been the precious metals, okay? Silver's up, gold's up, silver up more so than gold, but still, as we do look at the relationship between crypto and precious metals, as well as just equities, that's where it really does become fascinating to see how this trickle-down effect impacts us as traders, okay? So I will tell you guys what I'm doing. I'm personally still playing the long game, playing the short game within my daily trading activity. Just kind of fits the market need and demand, okay? If it's going to be a red day and there's going to be a lot of selling pressure, I'll jump on board, look for opportunities. And conversely, if it's going to be a day where I think we're going to pump a little bit, there are going to be a lot of opportunities to enter some long positions as well, okay? But please keep in mind, that's just what I'm doing personally. Everybody has a different risk strategy and a financial situation, so always do what's best for you. That's not me telling you to buy or sell crypto. You always got to make the best decisions for yourselves, okay? But the one thing that we want to talk about economically is that the early signs of stagflation are concerning, okay, for the first part of 2026. This is kind of where we look for the focus from Fed policy, because right now we're kind of putting a stranglehold on those interest rates. They're still not back to where they were at all-time lows, but still, it's a very complicated relationship. One that I don't think makes sense, but it is something that we observe. The interest rates go down, crypto goes up. It makes zero possible sense, but still, coupling that with the United States crypto regulation going kind of pro-regulation, I should say, going up, that's going to be a very strong data point moving forward as well to potentially be a driver for crypto moving forward, okay? So the downward pressure for Bitcoin's losing steam, as analytics Swiss block firm does state, but the market stabilizing is not yet out of the woods. So that's kind of your crypto update for today. Leave a comment down below. How are you playing the markets? What do you think is going to happen as we do enter 2026? Because right now we have everything kind of lined up, and we have a lot of dips across the board where crypto, for my money, was extremely cheap, considering where we were at back in November when Bitcoin was at 126,000. We had a couple movers in the alt sector as well. So it's been fairly fascinating to watch. I'm kind of interested myself to see how this trickles down into our own holdings. But that's kind of where I'm at. All right. So leave a comment down below, guys. Appreciate you all tuning in. Remember, Bitcoin Hyper. Also, you can find a Best Wallet link if you want to download App Store and the Google Play Store, one of the decentralized wallets that we are affiliated with. If you do want to download Best Wallet, those links will be down below in the description. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Thanks again, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.